clouds drift slow, like the sky is dreaming, and below the world listens, pine by pine, hoof by hoof. The trees stretch without asking, and the cows blink slow in the sun, chewing thoughts only they understand. Everything here belongs to itself. The breeze to the field, the sun to the water, the quiet to the land. And us, we are only ever passing through. Not to own, not to name, but to notice. To be the hush between birdsong and bell, to walk softly like a story whispered to the grass. The pine trees don't lean for us, the cows don't lift their heads. The land goes on as it always has, with or without our footsteps. And somehow, that is beautiful, because it means the world is whole, even when we are quiet, even when we are gone. We are guests, grateful, tender guests, here for a moment while the wind braids our thoughts into the tall green. So, we leave no mark, but a thank you, and maybe a smile the breeze will carry away.